Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how cannabis might help with depression and mental illnesses. With mental health challenges on the rise, people are seeking alternative treatments, and cannabis is gaining attention. Depression affects millions worldwide, leading to symptoms like persistent sadness, fatigue, and loss of interest in daily activities. Mental illnesses encompass a wide range of conditions, including anxiety, bipolar disorder, and PTSD. Traditional treatments often include therapy and medications, but they don't always work for everyone. Cannabis has been used medicinally for thousands of years, and research into its effects on mental health is growing. The plant contains active compounds like THC and CBD, which interact with the body's endocannabinoid system. This system helps regulate mood, sleep, appetite, and stress responses. CBD, a non-psychoactive component of cannabis, is known for its calming and mood-stabilizing effects. Studies suggest that CBD can increase serotonin levels, similar to antidepressant medications. THC, on the other hand, may help some users by providing a sense of euphoria and relaxation. The endocannabinoid system plays a key role in maintaining emotional balance. Cannabis compounds bind to receptors in this system, potentially helping to reduce anxiety and depressive symptoms. Cannabis has shown promise in reducing symptoms of anxiety by calming overactive brain activity. For PTSD, cannabis may help manage flashbacks, nightmares, and emotional distress. Some users report feeling more grounded and less overwhelmed after using CBD products. It's important to note that cannabis isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. High doses of THC may worsen anxiety or trigger paranoia in some individuals. Always consult a medical professional before starting cannabis for mental health. While promising, research on cannabis for mental health is still in its early stages. Clinical studies suggest that CBD has antidepressant-like effects in both humans and animals. However, more large-scale trials are needed to confirm long-term benefits and safety. In India, cannabis use for medical purposes has been gaining legal recognition. The government regulates cannabis-derived products, ensuring quality and safety for consumers. Always purchase from licensed retailers to ensure you're getting a legal and safe product. If you're considering cannabis, choose products with lab-tested ingredients for transparency and quality assurance. CBD oils and tinctures are popular options for managing mental health symptoms. Start with a low dose and gradually adjust under professional guidance to find what works best for you. Cannabis may hold potential as a complementary treatment for depression and mental illnesses, but it's not a cure-all. Stay informed, consult professionals, and explore this option responsibly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.